In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is, if H and K are normal subgroups of G and K less than or equal to H, then H such that K and G such that K are. Solution. Theorem number 1, that is, if H and K are normal subgroup of G and K less than or equal to H, then H such that K is normal subgroup of G such that K. So option A is correct. Theorem number 2, that is, let K subset H subset G be groups where K less than G and H less than G, then H such that K subgroup G less than K and G such that K divided by H such that K approximate equal to G such that A, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.